Ciprotech, electrical switchboard and control panel design service provider. About US. Ciprotech, established in 2008, was incorporated as an engineering company with its experienced engineering team in Navi Mumbai, specialized in electrical control panel and switchboard design. We take great pride in introducing ourselves as a leading electrical engineering consulting firm in India, which has developed a high specialization in the field of electrical control panel design. We cover all the requirements and expectations of our global clients, beginning from small wall mounting panel design to HV panel design services. We have a team of highly qualified and experienced professionals who are experts in solving all types of issues related to electrical control panel. Our policy is to enhance the customer satisfaction through providing high-quality services. Services. Ciprotech provides electrical drafting and designing service globally. We provide professional and highly accurate electrical CAD drafting, electrical design, electrical wiring drawings, electrical control panel schedule, electrical power plant, electrical panel layout, preliminary single-line diagram designing, termination diagram. Electrical wiring diagram. Our electrical wiring diagram presentation is easily understandable and also accurate. We will prepare any type of motor feeders drawings, such as DIL, star delta, soft starter, VFD, etc., conventional as well as intelligent motor control drawings. We will furnish ACB, VCB power and control circuit diagrams including closing circuit, tripping circuit, indication circuit, interlock between encomers and bus coupler with auto changeover scheme, synchronizing scheme. Our electrical wiring diagram clearly indicating ferrule numbers and page cross-reference, legend details of the components designation. Input required for preparing wiring drawing is customer BOQ, feeder list. General arrangement diagram. We will prepare any type of switchboard and control panel GA diagram. Our GA diagram is clearly indicating dimension, feed location, door equipment details, foundation layout, shipping details, bus bar size details. We will prepare the GA drawing considering the customer requirement, site space availability details and bus duct location details. We will be able to prepare GA drawing for any type of LV, MV switchboards such as PCC, MCC, PMCC, distribution panels, lighting panel, emergency panel, etc. Input required for preparing GA drawing is customer BOQ, feeder list, tentative GA. Single line diagram. Single line diagram is one of the important documents in the all types of electrical system. Our SLD is clearly indicating all information related to feeder load, power components, door equipment, feeder descriptions, feeder tag number, cable size of the feeder, bus bar rating and fault level details. Our SLD is indicating line and bus PT, control transformer details. Input required for preparing SLD drawing is customer BOQ, feeder list, final GA, final wiring diagram. Bill of material. Bill of material is indicating clear scope of supply. Our BOM document indicating complete descriptions, catalog number, component designation with respect to scheme. Our BOM is accurate and complete information. Ordering components is easy for purchase departments by using our BOM. To prepare complete details BOM we need final GA, scheme, make of component list. Contact us. Email hrd_control97@yahoo.co.in. Phone +91 95 94 74 9948. Web www.ciprotech.com.